We've spent a lot of time talking about all the things that active roles can do out of the box. What if you want to do something active roles can't do? What if a customer has something that's very unique to them that obviously we couldn't have built into the product? That's where active roles scripting comes in. What I'm showing you here is a basic PowerShell script. There is not a lot of magic to this other than the fact that we're calling something that we call onPostModify, which just means every time after we modify an object, I want you to run this. Really, all it's doing here is it's setting the user description to I'm a clown. This was a test script I wrote for a customer when we were messing around with something to just prove that I could use a workflow to run a script to do something really random. And that's all I've done here. So just to show you what that looks like, if I go back over here in workflows, you can see I have a specific workflow. This specific workflow is an if-then statement for a virtual attribute, and if the attribute is set to true, then it's going to run that script that I just showed you. That's all that's happening here. The active roles scripting engine is powerful. At any point in processes, we can tell it, I want to run this script before something is done, while it's being done, after it's being done, when something's created, before something's created, after something is terminated. You get every permutation. We can run those at any point in the process and anywhere where things happen inside of active roles. So whatever your customer is thinking up and whatever they want to do, chances are we can do it either with some of the built-in pieces or we can do it with the script in active roles. So keep that in mind as you're talking to customers and they're asking, well, what can I do this? Can I do that? The answer is usually yes. And it's also, since you'll probably be doing the work, it's a good way of you guys kind of adding some hours into those projects.